To my channel. Today's video is about the beginner's guide for Excel. So let's get started. So this is the basic window of Excel. Excel provides you many more templates. So but today we are going to work on this blank workbook. So just hit create on that. Okay. So this is the basic workbook looks like. So we have here we have a lot of rows and columns. This whole menu bar is just look like word. Word, like you have a lot of options in it: page, format, data, review, view, and many more. If you are new in the Excel and if you want to reach till the last cell of the workbook or a sheet we can call, then you have to press command for Mac and control for Windows. Press control command or and press the directional arrow button. So in this case we have to go to the right. So press a right button and that's it. You are there already. And okay, go. If you want to come back, just press again command and the directional key. That's it, you're there. And again, if you want to go the reach till the downward, the last row of this sheet, so again press command and the downward arrow. So you will reach the last cell of this. Again upward arrow and you're up. So we have number of fonts over here. You can choose whatever fonts you like. So anyway, but it's up to you. Then it's same like Word. You just have basic font size, or if you want to increase the font like this, okay, item. Then if you want to increase the font like this, just hit this button for a number of time. You'll get the font and again back to normal. Okay, then for this item, if you want to keep it in the center, you can keep it center, keep it in the right, keep it in the extreme left. It's up to you. Then again in the if you want to increase the size of this cell, so size of this cell, you have to hold this thing up and drag it down, so you'll increase the size. You can same thing with the length, drag this thing down and till the extent, and you will have a proper bigger cell for you. And if you want to use that cell for this option, you can use, if you this is the top align, then the center align, and then it's a downward align. So it's like that. If you want to use it, a whole new cell size for you. Otherwise, if you want to use the meter size, like you can set the size of the particular cell, so you can do it as well. Go to the format, you can set a row height, auto height, or when the column width, or auto width, or everything is there. Then if you want to you want to bold the letter, you just bold it, italic, underline, no underline, italic, okay, bold. You can color the thing, color your items. If you want to use different color, you have number of color palettes over here. You can choose whatever color you like. Then if you want to color the cell, you can do it as well, like this, same thing. Or if you mistakenly did a color over here, if you want to remove the color, just click no fill and you will be back to normal again. And if you press the automatic button in the alphabetical color, so it will be back to black. Okay, that's good. One of the coolest feature in the Excel is like, if you want to write some numbers in it, so you just put the number dot downwards, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the old school method. But if you want to do something really good, you want to use it with the professional way, you should use it like one. Just put just write two numbers whatever number in the order, and you have to go reach out over here. It's a small arrow, see, you can feel it, it's changed to black. Now it's white and now it's getting black. This little box over here, you just hold that box and drag it down till whatever number you like, let's say 20. Okay, and now you have and it's now you have number auto generated. It's nice, right? So it starts from anywhere. Let's say if you want to start from 45, 46, and there on, like just hold the area and just go drag it down till whatever number. Now one more thing is, if you want to select this everything, so what you usually do is hold shift and go down 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 down. That's it. But no, in the in professional way, in our class, what we are going to do is hold shift command and boom, you have selected everything. Or for windows people, shift control and boom, you have everything selected. Okay, now if you want to write a date, let's say if you are working in the data sheet or something and you want to put your date over there, the current date or you're there, and now you how you do it usually, let's say this and or whatever. So you usually now this is also one scenario. If you face this thing, just drag click like double click over here and you will have a complete date over here. Okay. Like this means the cell size is not enough to show the date or show the number, so you have to double click on this and okay, boom, you have your date. But if you want to use your but if you want to put your date automatically, just it's very simple, guys. For Mac users, press command and just semicolon, so boom, you have your date over here. See, just control and semicolon, and that's it. You have everything in no time. If you want to, and one more thing, if you want to put the time over here, let's say just command and semicolon, same thing, command and semicolon, command semicolon, boom, it's so easy. So I copied this data from Worldometer website, and I took just 20 entries out of it. Like we have many more entries there. Let's say see this, there are a lot of entries over there. So we'll be working on this 20 entries. So if you want to keep it in a table, you just have to select the whole sheet, whole data, and go to the table. For selecting this, now this is just a 20 entries, so it's easy to select. But if you have something 1000 entries in one data sheet, so you'll have to use some shortcut keys for that. So the shortcut keys are shift command for Mac, shift control for Windows users. So on the right side double click, downward side arrow double click, that's it, you have your data selected. And another point is, like, just you select one cell in the between, control or command A, that's it, you have your whole data sheet, whole table selected. And then you have to go to this little box over here and all borders. Okay, that's it, you have your table complete. Now if you think that okay, how would I add this add a label to this? So okay, though, because we don't have any cell over here, any line over here, any row over here, so what we have to do is just go on first number or anywhere number you want to add a line in it. Just click right click over here and insert, that's it, boom, you have your line. And just you can add one, you just type update. Okay, now you have everything. Now if you want to use the same label to on top of each and every label of the table, so what you have to do is select everything, till the table you want, then just click over here. It's a merge and center. Just click over here and you, boom, you are there already. Okay, now you can select it. Let's say do it bold, underline, some fancy stuff. That's it, you're there. Okay, I'm keeping this video very short, so that's it for now. And next upcoming video, you can see all the formula, how to use formula efficiently, insert things, draw on this, how to use charts. There are many more things in Excel, so please stay tuned and see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Please help my channel to grow with your likes and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and we'll see you in next video. Thank you.